Do not buy the Bose 700 for Bose AR. Hey, how's it going, bros? My name is Aaron. Welcome back to another video. Now, in the very first video I did about the Bose Headphone 700s, this is what I said. I said that Bose AR is one of the main reasons why anyone should consider getting the Bose instead of the competition like the Sony 1000XM3 and even the Jabra Elite 85H. But when I finally got the chance to try Bose AR for myself, I now have a very different opinion. Okay, big disclaimer here. I have not tried Bose AR with the Headphone 700 because the Headphone 700 has not been released in Singapore yet. But I've tried it with the Bose frames, and the experience I got was not quite what I expected. For example, the augmented reality experience using the accelerometers and the gyroscopes worked very well, but I could only use the AR system within the very strict confines of the Bose Music app and specially developed Bose AR apps. So if I want to listen to music while enjoying Bose AR, I can only use the test audio tracks within the Bose Music app. If I jump out of the app and use my own music or say videos from YouTube, for example, I will not be able to enjoy Bose AR. And it doesn't help that the number of Bose AR apps at this point is rather pathetic, to say the least. Okay, secondly, do you recall Bose saying that you will be able to scroll through your music by moving your head and select the song by just nodding? That sounds pretty cool, right? Well, guess what? There isn't such a feature yet. That's disappointing because I was really looking forward to experiencing this new way of interacting with my content without looking at my phone. I think this is something that we all need, but at this point apparently Bose hasn't found the secret sauce to make it work yet. So yeah, disappointment number 2. So this whole Bose AR thing is still pretty much a work in progress. There are a lot of other reasons why you should buy the Bose Headphone 700. Bose AR is definitely not one of them. I've been watching some product reviews, actual product reviews, because right now they are available in stores in the US, just not in Singapore yet. Apparently its microphone quality and its ability to reject ambient noise while leaving your voice intact is very good. So you get to enjoy much better voice call quality than the Sony 1000XM3. So that's a pretty big reason to choose the Bose Headphone 700s over the Sony 1000XM3. Now, is it worth paying $50 more? It depends. For me personally, I don't make phone calls a lot. I don't take phone calls a lot either, so it might not be very compelling to spend an extra $50. But for some other people who live their lives on the phone, taking phone calls, making phone calls, it definitely is worth paying that extra $50. Now, based on what I've seen from these videos, it appears that the Bose may be better than the Sony's in terms of build quality and construction, but not necessarily in terms of sound quality and noise cancelling performance. You know, the important things we look out for in a pair of noise cancelling headphones. Also, and this is pretty interesting, the Bose 700 headphones seems to have a tighter clamping force compared to, say, the XM3s and even the QC35s. So how much less comfortable will it be if you take this for a long haul flight remains to be seen. But in my experience, I would rather go for something with a slightly gentler clamping force. Okay, so to summarize, the number one reason you should buy the Bose 700 headphones is its great voice call quality. What's $50 compared to all the deals you're going to close over the phone? This is something that you probably won't be able to do over the 1000XM3, especially if you're outside. If you're indoors, it's okay. The 1000XM3 can sound pretty clear, but if you're outside, it's chaos. So, voice call quality, get the Bose 700, and not because of Bose AR. But if you're like me and you don't think that great voice call quality is a compelling enough reason to blow an extra $50, get the 1000XM3. Because the 1000XM3 is still by far regarded as one of the best, if not the best, noise canceller in the market. It sounds great as well. It's very comfortable to wear. I've tried it. Better battery life than the Bose Headphones 700. 34 hours compared to 20 hours, I suppose. So it's still a great purchase for $50 less. Or maybe it'll be wiser to just hold out for the 1000XM4, because the 1000XM4 might be released in September during IFA, just like the 1000XM3 and the M2 before it. And who knows, maybe it could have a much better, much more improved microphone system compared to the current gen 1000XM3, so that you can get better voice calls, yada yada yada, right? Or maybe it'll be just as good as the Bose Headphones 700 at voice calls. We'll see about that. We'll see what Sony has in store for us this coming September. So exciting. So yeah, this is all I gotta say about the Bose Headphones 700. At least until I get the chance to try it out for myself in Singapore. I can't wait. The Bose people said it will be coming in this month, July. So yeah, I'll just pop over to the Bose store, give it a try, tell you guys what I think. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please, as usual, push that like button with a vengeance. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad, because I upload 2 interesting videos every single week. And this is the only way that YouTube will notify you. And also very important to enable notifications in YouTube settings as well, because if you don't, YouTube will not notify you of new videos even if you ring the bell. So subscribe, ring the bell, enable notifications, and I'll see you again in the next video.